Alright, so this is the new DJI Osmo Action 6 Essential Combo. Alright, so there's some nice upgrades. We got a 1/1.1 CMOS sensor, variable aperture, 4-hour battery life, which is pretty nice. We got the Osmo Audio Direct Microphone Connect, 50 gigabyte of built-in storage, and 20-meter waterproof without a case. Alright, so let's see what comes in this combo. You have a high power USB-C to USB-C cable. This is your mount adjusting screw. You have your battery. The good thing about this kit, the good thing about this new camera, that you could use your older batteries, they will fit. You have your magnetic mount. There you have your USB-C connector. It's magnetic. It also clips in both sides. You have 4 extra, memory storage. And your battery, 1,950 milliamps. Nice. Power button. You got touchscreen front and rear. So you can basically, see yourself if you're blogging, any adjustments. You want to go ahead and go through all your settings. You want to take pictures, time-lapse, slow motion. And the good thing about this new camera, since you have a square sensor, you don't need to put a vertical any longer. So one way, well, basically you could crop your video and you could do both. So you don't have to be doing this and then doing this. I always suggest getting a screen protector and your lens. Beautiful screen. Alright, so I definitely waited for the Action 6 to come out. Upgrading from a GoPro Hero 8, which has got a bunch of little issues here and there. I do mountain biking, so I wanted to get me a nice action camera. This one is a slight bigger than the Action 5 Pro, but definitely it's got some upgrades. Good thing about it is you can use their old batteries into this one here. There's definitely a bunch of accessories that are coming out. I wanted to get just a regular package and try it out, see if I like it. I'll go ahead and buy all the accessories, the metal cage, for more better protection, screen protections and things like that. So definitely an upgrade from my current Hero 8. I like that horizontal lock there. It's pretty cool. So a lot of features on this camera, so definitely got to read the instructions and get familiar with it so you could appreciate all the comfort features of this camera. So let's go ahead and enjoy. Another great feature that I wanted was to be able to connect my mic mini directly to the camera without any adapters or anything like that. So definitely a fantastic feature to stay in the same platform with DJI.